No coding, no design skills, no experience. Today, I will build a real mobile app in 10 minutes using AI, and you can do this too. Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to build apps without learning coding, this video for you. I will show step by step how to build an app using Magic Apps AI in less than minutes. Most people think apps building is expensive, complicated, and need developers. But AI changed everything. Now anyone can build apps, publish them, and even make money from them. So this Magic Apps AI. First, I choose what type of app I want to create. Next, I describe what I want my app to do, like example, workout plan, daily reminders, and program tracking. Now, the AI builds the layout, the dashboard, the button, everything automatically. Let's look at this. All recreated screen menus, icons, color, even features. Now I can customize it if I want, change text, replace image, switch them, add features. This is the final app built by AI, just a minute and it's work. Here, three ideas for make money with Magic Apps AI. Build apps for local businesses, create niche apps and sell them, publish on App Store or Play Store and earn from ads. If you want to try Magic Apps AI, the link in description below. Thank you for watching. If this video helpful, subscribe and for more AI tools and tutorials. See you soon.